Go ahead, please.
Okay, so good evening to everybody. So today my topic is going to be about axolotls. So these, this axolotls are the animals you can see right now. The one that's opening its mouth. So what are axolotls? They're salamanders that never grow up. They're also known as walking fish because of their feathery gills and long eel-like tails. Axolotls are native to Mexico and are critically endangered in the wild. They're popular pets because of their unique appearance and easy care. Axolotls are unique amphibians known for their ability to regenerate lost limbs and organs. Axolotls are native to the it's called Xochimilco, the Xochimilco canals in Mexico City. These canals are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, but sadly, pollution and habitat destruction have significantly reduced their natural habitat. Also, axolotls are only found in these canals of Xochimilco. They're not found anywhere else in the world. Axolotls can regenerate limbs. Axolotls are known for their remarkable ability to regenerate limbs, a process that involves the growth of a new tissue to replace the lost or damaged parts. Unlike humans and other mammals, axolotls can regenerate limbs multiple times throughout their lives. The regeneration process begins with the formation of a wound-healing blastema, a mass of undifferentiated cells that has the potential to develop into any type of tissue. These cells then differentiate and organize to form the new limb, which is remarkably similar in structure and function to the original. Scientists are studying axolotls to understand the mechanisms behind the regenerative abilities with the hope of applying this knowledge to develop treatments for human injuries and diseases. But keep in mind that this has a limited use because even there's limitations to what kind of organs that axolotls can regrow. For example, they cannot regrow eyes and internal organs like the brain and stuff. If it's somehow damaged, then they cannot regrow it with tissues. Something like the gills or hands could be regrown. Yeah. Axolotls are also pedomorphic. Axolotls are unique amphibians known for their pedomorphic state, meaning that they retain the juvenile features throughout their adult lives. Unlike most amphibians that undergo metamorphosis, transforming from tadpoles into adults with legs and lungs, axolotls continue to exhibit larval characteristics. One of the most striking examples of pedomorphism in axolotls is their external gills. As you can see here, the little hairy pink pokey. I can't explain it, but they're rods. Okay, rods. Their feathery structures, reminiscent of those found in fish, allow them to breathe underwater. And another pedomorphic trait is their eel-like body shape, which is well suited for swimming and navigating through their aquatic habitats. Pedomorphism is thought to be an adaptation that allows axolotls to thrive in specific ecological niches. By retaining their larval features, they're able to exploit resources and avoid predators. As you can see, those are the gills which are moving inside and outside. Those are the gills. Axolotls play if we can tally its play, and axolotls play an important role in nature. Axolotls play a crucial role in their natural ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey. Their presence helps to maintain a balanced food web and contributes to overall health of their habitat. As predators, they help control populations of invertebrates, while as prey, they support survival of other species. Moreover, axolotls are important indicators of environmental health. The presence or absence can be a sign of overall quality of the habitat. If axolotl populations are declining, it may be an indication of pollution, habitat loss, or other environmental problems. Therefore, the conservation of axolotls is essential for maintaining the health and biodiversity of their ecosystem. By protecting these unique creatures, we're also helping to protect the delicate balance of life on Earth. Axolotls are endangered. Axolotls are critically endangered due to combination of factors including habitat loss, pollution, and development have led to the degradation of their natural habitat, the Xochimilco canals in Mexico City. Introduction of invasive species. Invasive species such as the carp and tilapia have outcompeted axolotls for food and resources. Over exploitation. Axolotls are sometimes collected for pet trade, which can further reduce their wild populations. Climate change. It's also another threat to axolotls as it can alter their habitat and affect their food sources. These factors have combined to push axolotls to the brink of their extinction. If these populations continue to decline, they may face extinction in the wild. Saving axolotls requires an approach that addresses the threats they face. This is how we can save them. Here are some ways to. Habitat restoration. Efforts should be made to clean up and restore the Hoshimilco canals, removing pollution and restoring their natural habitat. Control of invasive species. The invasive species that compete the axolotls should be managed or removed to reduce their impact. Captive breeding programs can also help to maintain a healthy population of axolotls and provide individuals for reintroduction into the wild. Public awareness is also very important as it raises the importance of axolotl conservation and it can help to gamer support and promote reasonable stewardship of their habitat and sustainable tourism. Promoting sustainable tourism practices in the Hoshimilco region can help generate income for local communities while minimizing harm to axolotls and their habitat. By implementing these strategies, we can help ensure the survival of these axolotls and protect the biodiversity of these organisms. Thank you.